we're going to draw a flower. Make it pink. Beautiful. Would you like to try? Get your crayons and pens ready. Time to draw the middle. The centre is a circle. Then some oval petals around the edge. We just curve around, curve around, curve around. Let's do a smiley face. Some circles for the eyes. A smile. Some little circles in the centre of the eyes for the pupils. And of course, a stem. Let's shade and darken that border. Lovely. Let's use yellow for the centre of our flower. We're using paint, but you can use crayons, colouring pencils, pens, anything you like. You know there are different types of paint you can use as well, depending on what material you're painting on. Are you painting on paper? Are you painting on card? Maybe canvas? A lovely sunny yellow with a thin paintbrush because we've got to go around all of those borders. We don't want to go over the black lines. We want to stay inside them. Carefully going around the mouth and the eyes and staying within the big circle centre. You're doing well. Keep going. Do you like flowers? Which type of flower is your favourite? I love sunflowers. They're so bright. And I love how they lift their head up to the sun and then put it down to sleep at night. They're so tall too. Isn't it amazing? You're almost done. Right, let's do the pink on the petals. Again, carefully going around the border, staying in between the black. You can use a slightly thicker paintbrush for this petal because there are no facial features in it to paint around. A good technique is actually to paint inside the borders first. That way you can just paint freely inside of that. That's it, you're doing a great job. Let's do the next one. If you wanted, you could even do a rainbow flower with each petal being a different colour. If you drew smaller petals inside the big petals, you could even layer each petal, each one being a different colour. Wouldn't that be awesome? Look, this little flower is watching me paint. La 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 la, dee 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 dee. Spring is here, folks. Isn't it exciting? Now, what kind of place might you see a flower? Let's have a think. Do you have a garden? Perhaps in your garden. Maybe in the green grass at the side of the road. How about in a forest? Maybe even in a meadow. We might even see flowers on a mountain. What do you think? That's it, keep painting. You've just got 2.5 more petals to go. Brilliant. If you want to darken your colour once you've painted it, you just let the first layer dry and then you can paint over it again, just like we do with nail polish. A flower for you, a flower for me. I like it pink as can be. But you can choose any colour that you really like. Let's paint our flower every night. I love my flower, yes I do. I hope that you do too. Painting is fun. Yay! We've done the petals. Good job, guys. time for the stalk, and it's going to be green, of course. You can even draw and paint some leaves on it if you want to. Maybe the grass below. Flower! You did it! Well done! You drew and painted a flower!
Subscribe and watch more. Chiki Art!